automatic clutch. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We got Rex here, we got a special guest. So today Rex is gonna be helping me weld my diff. Ain't that right, Rex? Rex. Ain't that right, Rex? He said yeah. Ain't that right, Rex? He bites my face. Alright, we're gonna be welding Nelson's diff.
Dick?
Who's gonna be welding it?
Pancho.
No, I am.
Oh, Emma. Rex is gonna weld it.
Rex, we got a special guest here. So you're gonna be the one welding it, right?
With the help of those.
With the help of ghosts.
Dun, 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 dun.
Sorry. He's like, okay, bring it back. That's all the way to the roof. These are part of the family. New squad to the member.
What?
Okay, tell them what you're working on.
Well, this just finished printing this morning.
Wow.
Basically a little prototype piece. I'll show you where it goes.
Oh, so cute.
It's gonna go right here.
Nice.
I still gotta cut it and fit it properly and
Yeah, that's
do
pretty
some
cool.
body work to it.
We got the, what's his name? Elon Musk right here.
Banan mustard.
Are
Oh my god, you have a bunch of girl hair down here.
you serious?
Yeah, right here. Okay.
Oh, that's not my hair.
That's your hair.
That's not my hair.
You're not gonna take off anything, just loosen everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then. Oh, this guy's sticking in
You need a halo. She'll go down if I say so. Ugh. This is the power of leverage. This shit was hard at first. Now I gonna cap. Just wanna make sure because the other ones that we just had to let them loose. Let them hang and let them nuts hang. I'm just kidding. Hi guys, this is day 195,000. I've been under my car for the past 25 years and show you. Guys, I got hurt twice already and I just started. I accidentally hit my head basically. So guys, this is the axle here. Oh my god, there's 6 of them and there's another one. Oh, you guys hit your head too now. We had to loosen this one over here. It's so hard to film under here guys because my camera is huge. Yeah, so I don't know if this is the size that I need. Let me check. I'll let you know. No, this is too small. Can you please give me another one, a bigger one? Alright, here's his little paw. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I don't think so though, but let me check. Actually, yeah, it does. Yeah, that's the one. Oh, my little cutie. You're so cute. Okay, now all I'm gonna do is just loosen this up. Okay guys, I'm on my last one finally. In order to get to these other bolts here on the drive shaft, we gotta actually rotate both of the wheels, you know, to get them. We need to get to the other bolts and loosen them up. Let me show you. He scares me. I like my shoes.
Wait,
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Okay, stop. Stop. Alright, lock it.
There it is.
Your royal penis is clean, Your Honor.
It's a mess.
Well, dang. All of that for that?
So what is it that you're supposed to weld?
Oh, so you're gonna weld this one to this one. You're gonna put a big bar from here to here and weld it together, and then you're gonna weld these two to this one right here. That way it locks into place and it never moves. So that way when the drive shaft spins, the whole differential spins. I think that's what I saw people doing.
The gas is gonna come out.
This is your gas tank. This is where all your gas goes. It just chills in there. It's a nap sometimes.
Oh!
Hey! Swagarushkis. You're not supposed to go in there. Oh yeah, you need new gear or it smells like ass. You see in there? We're gonna have to weld. So you see that top one and that lower one? Those are gears. Watch. They're gonna spin the opposite way right now. See them?
Oh yeah.
So we gotta weld those together. Oh! Pop! I got it.
The video had to end in a short notice because I actually had to leave. We put everything back together. My diff is welded and I'm good to go. Well, it was good to go. This is actually an old video, but I never got to do the outro. I couldn't film it because I had to go. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It is a throwback to when I first got my diff welded. Post notification shout out goes out to Julio Reyes. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
Bucket that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. Bucket that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. In the back, just like alright. In the coupe with a bitch, alright. In the coupe, in the 6 alright.